United Winners Laser is China's leading brand in the laser welding industry and the core supplier of intelligent manufacturing equipment for battery industry, with multiple subsidiaries, including UW Jingsu, UW Huizhou, UW Sichuan, UW Japan, UW Germany, UW USA, Jingsu United Winners Semiconductor, and Innovative Winners Solar. Today, follow me to know more. United Winners Laser, established in 2005, developed YAG lasers with laser energy negative feedback technology, which reached the international advanced level and stood out in competition with similar products from Germany and Japan. By continuously breaking through technological bottlenecks, UW Laser successfully developed semiconductor lasers, fiber lasers, composite lasers, blue lasers, and various laser welding equipment. In 2008, with its core technology, United Winners Laser took the lead among its peers in mastering the welding technology of materials such as aluminum, copper, nickel, iron, and their alloys for new energy batteries. It applied laser welding to the field of power batteries, achieving a leap from single machine welding workstations to complete sets of laser welding equipment, and then to overall intelligent manufacturing solutions, gaining recognition from top enterprises in the lithium battery industry. From 2018 to 2023, UW Laser successfully provided over 1,000 middle to late-stage production line solutions for global battery companies.